I'm excited for this one.
What you got in that bag, Santa Claus?
Right now we're getting set up with a RELXTIME inflatable hot tub. It is very cold outside and Frank has been dealing with these injuries for weeks, so we need to do something to help him feel better. The first problem that we're encountering is that technically it's too cold outside to set it up the way that the manual says. It's not supposed to be below 39 degrees when you're getting it set up. They're worried that the plastic might break or things like that. So we've brought it inside to do the first setup before we take it out to get it running.
I wonder if we're gonna have to wait the full 10 hours because it is so cold outside.
We're doing this in the morning in the hopes that we can dive in there this evening after our day of work. Tight as possible.
I mean, there's no screwing, it's just a straight up hose.
Now you are ready to inflate your spa.
Well, once we inflate it in here, we're not getting it out that door.
Why not? Roll it out sideways.
Okay.
And if not, we just deflate it and then take it outside and inflate it out there.
This right here looks like a drain valve. This is a pretty heavy duty plug, so I'm wondering if we have what it takes right here, or are we just gonna blow our paddle up? He's inflating. Wow.
There we go. You're supposed to keep your children away from the hot tub, so she won't be going in, but you can watch it fill up.
I don't know if you can see them, but there's two bald eagles here, which we don't ever see. Whoa, look at them go. Oh, that's amazing. She's just about at that minimum level. I'm about to turn on that heater so that way we can get this thing cranking. I'm gonna put the piece over the top of it and lock it down. That way it can really heat up as fast as possible. And we'll see how long it takes. This morning, one thing that I know that's gonna really help my arms when I get back home is soaking in that hot tub. It is 99 degrees right now. Really happy to jump in there later. Ooh, that's hot, boy. Oh, that's amazing. Oh. Not is it a perfect spot to sit, but it is also easy to set up. I feel like this was like dummy proof basically.
All right, baby, it's Mama's turn to enjoy the hot tub.
No! No!
Get on out of there.
I won't do it. I'm going right inside.
I like this a lot.
Oh, and there's some sides.
Okay. If you guys want to check out RELXTIME hot tubs, we're gonna have a link down below. It's the most affordable hot tub on the market and you're absolutely gonna love it. Ooh, the breeze is fresh on my back, but the water is nice and warm. And the view! Where's the baby?
Move over, I put Grandpa on duty. Smart move, huh?
Yeah. It's nice in here.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh, and my towel's already wet. Oh no, this is not great. The hot tub was amazing, but getting out is hard.